Okay, you've exported live 2D model successfully. And then you have a good look at it. You see these weird parts sticking out. You wonder, oh no, what have I done? You go through, delete the model, try and rearrange the mesh to double check everything's right. You re-export it and try again. And it's still there. Well, here's a fix. Okay, here it is. You're checking out the model and you notice this offending part. So, what do? You freak out. You know it's not going to good look in the live 2D showcase. The client's model or your own model. So what do? You go back into live 2D. Right, this is what you do. You go back into modeling, texture, edit texture atlas. We already got everything like all established at this point, just hit no. Okay, where's the error? You notice now, the booba and the boot middle are overlapping. What you basically do is you just drag it down, move it in to a free space where none of the texture can overlap. Then you hit OK. Yeah, at this point, you know the drill. Just go back and re-export it again to VtubeStudio. Once again, you go and scroll back down. But guess what? Now the offending, overlapping texture atlas is gone. I hope you find the tutorial useful. Bye!